Hey guys, I'm going to use Ichimoku Cloud within 3 minutes to do a technical analysis on QNT token. So let's go. Daily time frame right now. As you can see, we are ranging. What is interesting here is we touch our Tenkan daily. You can see the last time we did this was on the 2nd of October, and straight up we go up to the Kijun daily. So you can expect now that it's the second test of the Tenkan daily to see if we properly break above. You see we broke above it on the first and second was the test. So we are back into testing the Tenkan daily now. Once we test the Tenkan daily, what can we expect? To push back into the Kijun daily. So that gives us ear to ear, right? We are at 308. We have the possibility to push up all the way to 340. You can see that it happened here on the second, however the body of the candle stopped at 317, while the head of it went all the way up to the Kijun daily and even above. Okay, so remember, that doesn't mean because we are going to touch the Kijun daily that we are fully 100% sure to be in a run. Okay, it's just a possibility. We need to look closer in a closer and lower time frame to find out about this, or to wait the day to be over, and etc. So at this now we have this Tenkan daily here that is creating support at 305, 306. We got another resistance here, Tenkan weekly, and this Tenkan weekly is basically, if we're going to go bearish, we can take a short position down to the Tenkan weekly. How we know that? We go on a 4 hours time frame, for example, and we look at the Tenkan daily. You see, we are still on it. We are floating on it, ranging on it. So what we want to see to know if we are going bearish, we have a candle forming under the Tenkan daily, properly forming under and not touching the Tenkan daily. Remember, we got this cloud here. The cloud is going to create also some resistance, especially where we are now. It's very flat, so it's hard to get above. But once we are at the next candle here at 12 p.m. USDT, 12 p.m. New York time, we will have more possibilities because no more support. This SSB of the cloud is not horizontal. So no resistance anymore, a bit of it, but not enough. So it's possible that around this, we have maybe a bearish trend, and if we go bearish and we enter this cloud and can go all the way down and even touch our Tenkan weekly here. That will be if we're going bearish. However, if you see this candle closing above this Tenkan daily, but closer we get to this SSB here, very flat, which is 8 p.m. tonight New York time, more chance we have to go on a bullish trend because we get the support of the SSB here, which is happening at 8 p.m. tonight. Okay, so we need to watch out what's going on here, and meanwhile we wait to see if we're going to go back to this Kijun 4 hours and push up to the Tenkan 4 hours. So you look at this. Once we get above, we have all the way to go to the Kijun daily. So that's how we do with Ichimoku. This video is already more than 3 minutes, so I can't talk too much. But one other thing I want to show you, which I talked about already before, is this lagging. You see the lagging crossed inside our candle from the top, but still it crossed in. That should not happen. And why it happened? It's because we have a fairly new token here. So the elements of the Ichimoku are not so strong, but now we're getting in an area where it starts to be very strong. So once our lagging will be around here, like in 26 days later, because I'm on the daily and the lagging is 26 days behind, we start to have really strong elements, and that will give us proper indication. So what can happen now to the lagging? We got this candle blocking us to go up. But next day, we got this one where we could escape. Normally we need 3, but since it's not that strong around here, we might get above and cross above. If we don't cross above here, then we can cross above here, around here. And the next area where we can escape is those candles here, those 3 candles. So we know we have a bullish trend to come. We stuck because there is resistances here, and at the moment we are still ranging. You can see it's flat. So we just have to wait for the signal, and we will know exactly where it goes. There is more chance we're going bullish than bearish, but yet we don't know the future. I cannot tell you the future. You can't as well, but we can have indication that let us know where it's going to head. So we know it might go most probably bullish. So now we wait to see a clear signal of a bullish candle on a 1 hour, 4 hour time frame above this 10 candle daily, closing above and gaining away this SSB here. Okay, that's it for the moment, guys. I'll see you later. You guys have a nice day. Bye bye.